Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we stumbled upon and think you'll love, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo. You can find a link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a lightweight drone designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, it offers a user-friendly experience, allowing you to travel light without the hassle of registration. This is a significant advantage for those of you looking to explore new locations without the tedious paperwork. Now, let's talk about its standout features. First and foremost, the Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a stunning 4K camera capable of shooting vertical videos at 60 frames per second with HDR. This means you can capture breathtaking sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes all in superb clarity. The convenience of having high-quality footage straight out of the camera is a game-changer for content creators who want to share their adventures instantly. Safety is a crucial aspect of flying drones, and the Mini 4 Pro excels in this area with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This feature provides precise detection capabilities in all directions, allowing you to fly with confidence, even if you're a first-time user. You can focus on capturing great shots rather than worrying about potential collisions. One of the most impressive features is the extended battery life. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, offering up to 102 minutes of flight time. This means you can spend more time exploring and less time recharging. It's perfect for those longer sessions where you want to capture multiple angles and perspectives without the dreaded battery anxiety. Real-time aerial footage is another highlight, with a 20-kilometer HD video transmission range. This feature is essential for ensuring that you have a lag-free image transmission, allowing you to immerse yourself in the aerial views like never before. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape or tracking a moving subject, the clarity and responsiveness will elevate your filming experience. Speaking of tracking, the Mini 4 Pro offers customizable intelligent tracking with Active Track 360 degrees. This makes it easy to capture smooth, professional-looking videos, even if you're just starting. You can take control of the drone's tracking trajectory and achieve complex effects without the steep learning curve typically associated with drone flying. For those who crave a more immersive experience, you can pair the Mini 4 Pro with various DJI goggles for an exciting FPV, first-person view, flying experience. This setup allows you to see what the drone sees in real time and control its flight with a simple wrist turn, making it an exhilarating experience for both new and experienced pilots. This drone is perfect for hobbyists, travel enthusiasts, and anyone looking to create high-quality aerial content. Whether you're capturing family gatherings, documenting travels, or simply exploring your local area, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is designed to enhance your experience. In practical terms, you can use this drone to film everything from vacations to sporting events, or even to survey land if you're in real estate or agriculture. Its portability and ease of use make it an ideal choice for those on the go. So, if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality drone that won't weigh you down, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.